Let's install the SANUS Indoor-Outdoor Mount for the Sonos Move. You'll need the following tools. In the box, you'll find a wall template for worry-free drilling, hardware, and the speaker mount. Please also reference the manual for specifics. First, we'll attach the wall plate to the wall. For wood stud installation, you'll need to find the stud first. Using the included template, mark your holes and then drill. Then, you'll attach the speaker mount to the wall. Using the included screws and washers, secure your mount to the wall. Let's hang the speaker to the mount. Place the Sonos charging ring onto the base of the mount. Hang your Move speaker, and then coil any excess cord underneath your mount for a clean look. Plug in and enjoy. With our grab-and-go design, you can easily remove your speaker by lifting it up off the shoehorn handle. And you're done! Easily installs in 15 minutes or less. If you have any questions or concerns, contact our expert customer care team. Thanks from the team at SANUS.